Hypothetical question. When you have purchased so much stuff to sell that you don't even have space to put it anymore, including a storage unit, which is completely full, you don't go out to any new sales, right? Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Dave. This is Quarter Flips. If you are not already subscribed, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And you can throw a like on it here too if you'd like to. That'd be fine. I definitely did go to sales this weekend. I didn't think I was going to, but something popped up. I saw a new warehouse sale that I had never seen before. I go to warehouse sales quite a bit. A lot of the content in the videos, especially $1 new car, has been stuff I picked up at these warehouse sales. I thought I knew about all of them. Apparently I don't. So we'll get to that in a minute. First thing I'm going to do is show the stuff that sold over the last 2 days. Pretty good couple of days. So I'll just show you this stuff really quick and then I'll throw in the GoPro. We'll go check out a warehouse sale. And, just for fun, we'll stop at a church garage sale too. Couple of sales on Discogs, couple of CDs. This is Martyr AD, The Human Condition in 12 Fractions. This one went for $11.99. And St. Vitus, 5 or V, could be Roman numeral 5, that's probably what it is. This one went for $14.99 plus shipping. And on to eBay. If you watched my channel early on last year in 2021 when I just got started, in the very beginning I was doing a lot of going out to clearance sections at drugstores, buying a lot of clearance makeup. This is the very last item of the clearance makeup that I bought at Bartell's in 2021. It sold yesterday for $2.39 plus shipping. Sold these Hoover Type 48, 2 Type 48 vacuum cleaner belts. New old stock in the package. I think these are from the 90s and no, they're from 1978. Went for $6.99 plus shipping. These are a little hard to see because I've already got them wrapped. These are 4 CDRs of Dakota Collectibles embroidery designs on CD. I got these for, I believe, $1 a piece at a thrift store last year, and they went for $12.99 plus shipping. I sold this Kratos God of War action figure by NECA, is that what it is? He's got a couple of his weapons. He's in really nice condition, and he went for $29.99 plus shipping. This was one of the figures out of that big lot of action figures I bought a while back. Sold some DVDs and Blu-rays. Dragonheart, Vengeance, this sold for $6.99, shipping included. Winchester 73, $6.99, shipping included. Roughnecks, Starship Troopers Chronicles Trackers DVD. This went for $7.99 plus shipping. Killing Zoe, $8.99 plus shipping. Enter the Void, $14.99 plus shipping. And The Girl in the Red Velvet Swing, in this nice slipcover. This went for $24.99 plus shipping. I got this for $1 at a thrift store in Lynnwood. And then I sold the Buffy the Vampire Slayer complete series on DVD set. 7 seasons. 5 of the seasons inside here are unopened. The first 2 seasons are open, but they're still in nice condition. The box is a little rough. I don't know if that's coming across very well. That probably kept it from going at the highest price that I could get for this. As it was, I got $39.99 plus shipping. So that's it for sales. That's the stuff I'm going to be packing up and shipping today. Let's get on to the warehouse sale and the church garage sale. So every time I'm listing things and trying to get work done, and I open up Craigslist just to see, I tell myself, why are you doing this? You're going to see something that's going to make you want to go spend money. And I saw something and thought, well, I don't have to spend money if I go. I should check it out though. A warehouse sale that I'm not even aware of. And I've been looking for sales. All last year I was looking for sales. There weren't a lot of garage sales, but there are certain places I drive when I'm going to thrift stores. Never once did I see the sign for this place. And never once have I seen a Craigslist ad for this sale. But take a look at what I saw, and I think there's some discussion in there of how long they've been having these sales. Well, it should all be in the video. And if it's not, let's just say they've been having the sales for a while. It's hard to see, but it's right over there. Warehouse sale. Let's go check it out.
Yeah. Is it for kids or? Yeah. Well, we need one of those little things to. Oh, it just turned off. Is it gonna be okay? Oh, yeah, yeah, I think it is. No problem. Yeah, no problem, move. Okay, let's take a break, girl. Yeah, break time. You want to go? Yeah. Okay. We might.
And what about
Well,
our
actually,
one?
I think that's fine. I think that's fine. I'm thinking a candle set, let's bring that out.
Yeah.
No, this one cat.
Is there?
Hi, my name is Robbie. All systems up.
Good. Oh, you got it. I think I'm trying to get to there.
They used to do it in the old days.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
You're looking for bugs?
DVDs.
Huh?
I like DVDs. Yeah.
Okay,
I know there's some over there,
a
right?
whole bunch over there.
What are you charging for DVDs?
The Blu-ray is 3 and the others are 2.
Okay.
And if you buy a bunch, I'll make you a deal.
All right. There we go. Just checking out the packaging on it. This is a really nice indie film.
Had a guy last week come in and he had just gotten a bunch of stuff in from my son has a clean-out business, and so
Oh, is that where a lot of this stuff comes from?
That's where all this stuff comes from. A clean-out or somebody died and nobody wants it.
Do you run this all the time?
Yep.
Okay, and this has gone on before. This isn't your first weekend of it.
We've been here 11 years.
Oh, I have. This is the first I've seen the ad for it, so I decided
Really?
to come out. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is a Jimmy Buffett CD.
We've just got all kinds of. I've been doing it since 1990.
And different stuff every week.
Different places.
Are you okay with being on camera?
Do
I don't have. Are you okay with being on camera?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're here in the spring and summer when it's nice. We're here every weekend, or Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
When it's not so nice, just a Saturday, and if it's really bad, we're not here at all.
Yeah. No, that makes sense. What do you got on this DVD set here?
I would take $10 for that. That's for $10.
Yeah.
That's a wealth of.
That is a
knowledge.
that's a wealth of knowledge for $10.
Yeah.
I think I'm
Yeah.
probably gonna take you up on that.
Yep.
How much on the books?
It all depends. Yeah, I was looking at those and I was like, what the heck?
These are
Where
fantastic.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I would do probably $6, $3 each.
$3 each?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me think about that one.
Yeah. Or 2 for $5.
What you got on this old Marantz tape deck?
I would probably sell that for 10. So the gal called me up and says, well, we got to put Mom in a retirement center. She bought this console and she's hadn't played it for 20 years, brand new. 8-track, AM, FM, turntable.
Oh, wow.
She said, do you want it? I said, I'll be right over. Absolutely. I grew up with the console, with the TV in the middle, you know.
Oh, yeah, we had one that, it just looked like a...
Cabinet.
Yeah, cabinet, and then you'd open up the middle, and it stored records on the side, then the speakers, and then the turntable in the middle that was built into it.
Right, yeah.
And that's what I played my music on after I kind of inherited it from my parents all through my teenage years, you know? How much for the Bob Ross set?
Oh, I'll take 10 for that.
What do I owe you for this stuff? I got
Okay, so
Marantz.
10, 20, 30, 35, 38. What do you got?
I got 2.
Okay. And I'm going to ask you, would you like to donate the other 2? You know, like they do at the
You know
store.
what? Yeah, I'll do it.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, okay. Thank
Absolutely.
You. I was
Thank you
just
for all
late,
this.
but hey, we'll take it. Yeah.
Hey, you know, you might want to add that to your repertoire.
Everywhere you go, they're asking you to round off for stuff, and I'm like,
Yeah, they do it to Goodwill.
Yeah,
But you know
Goodwill.
what? If I'm getting a great score
Yeah.
at the Goodwill and they want me to round up 30 cents,
oh sure, yeah.
they're-
I don't have a problem with that.
I'm into it.
You want a box for that stuff?
You know what? I've got a bag in the car.
You
I'll
got
just
it?
walk it right out. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It was
Thanks,
good
Dave.
meeting you, man.
And yeah, and tell people about us.
I will. Absolutely.
We're not here obviously during the week, but Friday, Saturday, we're not here on Sunday because we're a church group.
Yep.
So if you see the signs up, we're here. The doors are open. If you don't, we're not here.
Excellent.
All right,
Thanks,
Dave.
man.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. So I got led by garage sale signs into what looks like some kind of a church or community sale. I don't know what it is, but I'll check it out. Howdy. How are you?
Doing okay. Any type of game you like?
I just sometimes know it when I see it.
Okay.
Well, you got some Pathfinder stuff back there.
Yeah.
How much is that stuff?
So this stuff here is $5 each. The Pathfinder games, they aren't technically complete. Like there's dice missing, but the card decks I think are.
Okay, are there figures in those too?
But I'll see. I don't know.
Wow.
One of them had more stuff than the other, but I think they had cards. Now I had gone through these cards at one time.
Oh, wow.
They got split out. So there's some dice. I don't think I have any of the figures. There are still some sealed decks in there.
Let me give it a try. I love stuff like this.
Yeah.
10?
Yeah.
I know, I can't wait.
So in the end, I bought a couple of DVDs. I bought the sealed DVD set of the philosophy lessons. I bought the Bob Ross paint set. Probably paid up for that a little bit, but it's in perfect condition, and I love selling Bob Ross stuff. There seems to be a lot of interest in that, so I grabbed that while I could. I bought the Mouse graphic novels, 1 and 2. Those are going to do pretty well. People really like that. I'm not sure which editions they are yet, but I'm not sure that it matters at this point. And I also bought this. I bought this Marantz Super Scope cassette player. It does have a power cord, and it does plug in and work. I haven't tested it with a cassette yet, but the reason I was mainly excited to buy this, it's a little worn. It's got a couple problems. Not big problems, but a little bit. I've just noticed that the front panel wants to come off. I'll have to see if I can get that back in place. But I don't know that that matters too much. This has this incredible fitted vinyl. I think it's faux leather. Vinyl case that's just in wonderful condition, made just for this model. I think I saw one other Marantz tape deck that had one of these fitted cases that sold, and it went for some decent money. I got 10 bucks for this. With the case, I'm probably going to put it up for close to 100 and see how it goes. And who knows, maybe it won't go. But I bought a Marantz tape deck. I actually recorded all of the audio for my movie, The Edge of Quarrel, on a Marantz cassette deck. Now, it was a much, much later model than this. Not this old school, this is like a 70s cassette deck, or maybe even early 80s. Mine was newer, but when I bought it, I had the option to buy the special fitted case, which I did buy because I was going to be using it in the field, and I knew I needed to be able to carry it wherever I went and sling it on my shoulder. And that thing was wonderful. It did a great job. Yeah, it recorded good audio to cassette. I assume this is kind of the version of that from many, many years earlier. So I thought, a little walk down memory lane, this would be fun. We'll give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. All right, so that's it. No more shopping. No more filling up the house with stuff. Just listing. And that is not going to happen. I'm definitely going to go to sales. I'm going to have to figure out a way to still go to sales and not get as much stuff. Or, I suppose I could always get a second storage unit. We'll come up with something. But, yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That's opposite. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.